splashing water in a team. Turtles rest beside the shore. Frogs go ribbon loud once more. Sun is shining warm and clear. Fun with friends we love so dear. Ponies prance on fields so green. Deer peek out a gentle scene. Foxes play a playful game. Chasing tails, it's all the same. Evening sky turns pink and gold. A story shared and pause to hold.